Sila ano, hindi naman sa akin yun. Tingnan mo. Paano?
Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today magkakaroon tayo ng International Students and Newcomers Orientation. Again, this is also brought to you by Phil Colo and of course Gospel Friend Church. Ayan, so this is the place where we are gonna be doing the orientation. Ito ay syempre parang dinonate lang din siya or may nagmagandang loob na kababayan na pinarent yung place or like pinayagan yung place pinayagan yung place na gamitin without I should say without a fee. Ayan, so dito naman mamaya yung sa kids room para sa kanilang activity. Ayan sila Kuya Abe. Ayan, so medyo malamig din sa labas guys ngayon, syempre. So ngayon naghahakot tayo dito ng mga speakers. Ayan, by the way guys, ginagawa natin itong orientation na to 3 times a year. So we all usually do it winter, winter, fall, at saka summer intake. So ayan, so again, if you want to connect with us, please like yung ating Facebook page na Filipino Community in London, Ontario, or also meron na po tayong Facebook page. Ayan, so meron tayong Facebook page. Ang Facebook page po natin ay Tupe Express. Ayan, so dito naman, ayan, nag-set up na sila Tendo, sila Gibo, at saka si Nanay Marikit. So ayan, so grabe guys. Again, shoutout sa mga nag-donate po ng ating mga ukay-ukay. Again guys, this advocacy started 2018, kaya tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. At syempre, eto naman ngayon, tayo ngayon sa first room, nagre-repack tayo ng ating mga gift packs mamaya. Ayan yung ating mga volunteers. Again, maraming salamat sa mga volunteers, in which by the way guys, itong mga volunteers na to ay mga estudyante rin ng Fanshot. Sila din yung mga iba pang dating natulungan or dating naka-attend na rin ng orientation. And this is it. This is the day guys na magsisimula na tayo sa ating orientation. Ayan, so naghintay na lang tayo naman mga iba pang darating, no?
Kahit medyo may edad na po tayong iba na. Sasabihin natin, we are still the future generation of Canada. Agree?
Agree!
Yes, wala po yan sa age, but we should have.
Meet Ate Daiza. Isa siyang OWP ng kanyang SP last September 2020.
Kuya Tupe help us na magkaroon kami ng time. It's very difficult for us, di ba? Hindi natin alam yung pupunta.
Meet Kuya Frank. Siya ang ating financial buddy na kung saan siya naman nagtuturo ng mga financial information and tips na dapat natin gawin dito sa Canada. Flor Gamboa. Flor Gamboa. Ano ba si JP? Flor Gamboa. Ay, use it lang. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank these volunteers. Grabe guys, grabe ang dedication nyo for the community. And maraming salamat dito sa mga ito. Siyempre ito yung mga kasama natin, yung mga volunteer. Ayan sila Ramier, ayan sila Krisha, ayan sila Ate Rose, sila Ate Shirley, sila Kuya Val. Grabe, ito ay also, ito rin ay also mga brethren natin sa Gospel Trend Church. Ayan, grabe ang dedication nila. Grabe. Maraming salamat guys. Salamat sa pag-volunteer.
Pagdating tinapay na. Pagdating, binigay, tinapay na lang kalahati. Mga siraulo. Tawag-tawa ako.
And that concludes our orientation for today. Again, it is really nice and overwhelming to see na lahat tayo nagtutulungan as one community, as one family. Again, maraming salamat for coming, and please join us in this advocacy. Pay it forward para lahat tayo ay magkakaroon ng magandang relationship sa bawat isa, and of course sa ating community. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. And that is it. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng mga umattend, sa lahat ng mga volunteers. Kuya Tope would like to thank you, each and every one of you. Grabe ang pagmamahal ninyo for the community. Again, if you are a student of Fanshawe College here in London, Ontario, please do connect with us. You could add us on Facebook page, Tope Express. And of course, you could also join the Filipino community in London, Ontario. Of course, you could also join us in the Gospel Trend Church, London. Ayan, again, maraming salamat. Ang lagi kong pang sasabihin sa inyo, na patuloy kayong mangarap, huwag niyong bibitawan ng inyong mga pangarap. Lahat ng bagay, hindi magiging madali. But you know what? One step at a time. Patuloy niyong piliin ang inyong mga pangarap at patuloy niyong panghawakan ang mga pangarap na yan, because God loves you and God will continue to fulfill His promise sa inyong mga buhay. As Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know my plans for you, not to hurt you, but plans for you to prosper and have a future." Again, maraming salamat. Ito ang Kuya Tope, Filipino community in London, Ontario, and of course, Gospel Trend Church. Maraming salamat. Smile. God loves you.